It felt like something that we could accomplish, even though we have never installed a pool before.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Will, and we own K&W Ranchita here in Alpine, Texas. We've definitely had this on our bucket list of things that we want to implement into our vacation rental.
Being in far west Texas, it's really hard to get materials. Will came across Plungie thinking, how are we going to make this happen and make our dreams come true all the way out here in West Texas?
Getting the pool off the truck and craned into the position it's in now to having our first guest was 3 weeks. I would say compared to other people in the country, we picked Plungie because of the precast concrete. It's a lot more durable, and out here in the desert, you're gonna need something that's gonna be able to withstand the harsh elements. Even though it was precast, we were able to make it our own with the surrounding deck.
Adding a pool definitely increased the property value and just the interest.
I would definitely use Plungie again for future projects with short-term rentals.
This is just a special place that we want to stay forever, and we want to be able to share it with other people because we think there's no other place like it. Swimming in the desert is a pretty unique experience out here.